Are you having breakfast?
No.
What are you eating?
No.
What are you eating?
No.
Hey, what are you eating?
No.
Is it a sandwich?
Yeah.
You're eating a sandwich?
Yeah.
What's that called in your hand?
No.
Look at your hand. What's that?
Pancake.
Pancakes. What's this?
Waffle.
Waffle. What's in here?
Cookie.
What's this?
Cookie.
Squeezy. And what's your name? What's your name?
Marshall.
Marshall. How old are you?
1.
No. How old are you?
1.
Look at Mama. How old are you?
4.
You're not 4. How old are you?
2.
2. Good boy. Are you pretty cute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3.
That's our big waffles, huh? Who are those girls out there?
I know.
What are their names? Alright, are you all done?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you say goodbye? Look at Mommy, say bye-bye.
Bye.